snake is right there. That's right. Where'd he go? He's right in there. He slithers. He's right. There. He's got a little green, he's got a little black, a little green stripe. Yellow stripe. Yeah, there's his head right there. Just stick his head right out. Did you watch Brown? Yeah, see what he does? I wish I could zoom in more, I can't. Yeah, there he is. Again, there we go. There he is, right there. It's hard to see because he's face on with us. His face is really narrow, but he's in there. Just staring right at us. Just slither past me. He's, you know what? Let's see. I'll throw a little piece of shrimp, see if he likes it. A little piece of shrimp. You hear a little sneaky buddy?